One of the extraordinary features of the Gates GC32 TSI is the intuitive touchscreen control panel. Like most tablet computers, this only requires you to touch an icon to navigate our Gates website, the internet, maintenance, utilities, operator's help, setup video, Crimp app, and eCrimp app. Remember, the GC32 TSI is designed exclusively for assembling Gates products, which you can select using Gates eCrimp application. Gates' new GC32 TSI is the most advanced hydraulic hose crimper available. Crimp data is on board and is continuously updated via wireless internet or thumb drive. To crimp a hose, first select a hose, then a coupling, then the die. Next, load the die. Follow the screen prompts throughout the crimping process. You can watch the crimp on the screen from the rear camera's point of view. There are many features with the GC32 TSI crimper, which you'll find makes hose assembly faster and more efficient than ever. If there's a hose that you crimp frequently, the GC32 TSI allows you to save those for ease of future use. Perhaps one of the most unique features of the GC32 TSI is the auto measure. The GC32 TSI features a ratcheting head. The purpose of the ratcheting head is to continuously grease the head. The GC32 TSI features an extra set of eyes on the backside of the crimper. A rear-facing camera like those placed on automobiles gives you a perspective to more accurately and safely crimp. Again, the GC32 TSI is designed exclusively to assemble Gates hoses. The eCrimp app, which comes with the crimper, allows you to select the best hose and coupling assemblies for your application. Finally, the control panel is updated continuously with the latest in hoses and couplings, either through a thumb drive or wireless connection.